Tether Gold might drop 2.1% by May 26, according to digital coin price. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. Tether Gold has moved up 0.7% in the last day and is currently near $4,546.50. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. CoinCodex sees tomorrow's level at $4,531.66, which means a fall of 0.4%. Gov Capital Collector projects Tether Gold will trend lower toward $4,503.25. A projected decrease of 1%. 30 Rates notes it may head downward toward $4,477, around 1.6% lower. Another forecast by Digital Coin Price expects Tether Gold might edge downward to $4,450.88, a potential drop of 2.1%. And to wrap up crypto predictions, puts the price at $4,374.20 by May 26, down roughly 3.8%. This is the most profitable outlook. We've looked at 5 different projections. Let's continue. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. The collective view of all analysts suggests a possible move between a drop of 3.8% and a drop of 0.4%, depending on the analyst. Therefore, crypto prediction stands out with the highest projected return with 3.8% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $4 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, CoinCodex's forecast stands in first place with a 64% chance of success. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The consensus projection shows Tether Gold settling around $4,467.40. Let's peel back the layers. The consensus outcome suggests a 1.8% fall in price. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 1.8% in line with that move. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $18 gained. So the odds of this consensus scenario for Tether Gold being fulfilled are about 46.9%. Here's the part where we explore the expected price trajectory for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. For this period, CoinCodex sees the price staying balanced. A bearish outlook is projected by Gov Capital Collector, pointing to a decline. 30 Rates indicates the chart will remain balanced. Digital Coin Price expects Tether Gold to head lower. Also, crypto predictions suggest bearish momentum will dominate. Consensus analysis indicates Tether Gold facing a bearish path across the 3-day outlook. All in all, 100% of analysts expect Tether Gold to drift downward. So, 100% of the outlooks point to Tether Gold weakening during this horizon. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts appeared online. Let's check how they compared with yesterday's price. Ultimately, the result was a close at $4,552.70. Yesterday showed that just a minority of analysts matched the trend. Measured by accuracy, coin price forecast ended up the best. Here comes the breakdown. Yesterday's trading range included 2 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 0.3%. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. As seen in today's data, CoinDataFlow delivered -1.1% ROI and $67.30 accuracy. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Tether Gold. Fetch leads the outlook with 4.1% and Tether Gold trails below. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the wider ranking across many cryptocurrencies is already online. Before you leave, show some love with a like and subscribe if you enjoy daily analyst comparisons like this. Take care!